Alright, so I gave you this triangle, and we need to find that third side. This person, Jonathan V, we have a right triangle given two sides. How do you find the third side? We're going to use the Pythagorean Theorem. Tell me the Pythagorean Theorem. And let's go ahead and label the sides. What would you call this one? So that would be an A. How about this one? And this one. And Jonathan, what's the most important letter? It's always across the right angle, right? Go ahead and do our substitutions for us, Lupe. 13 squared. Lupe, go ahead and simplify. $69 or $169?
169.
Uh-huh. Keep going. Should I take the square root or subtract 144? Lupe, what's up? Equals. Jocelyn, what do you do next? And B is equal to 5. Raise your hand if you got B equals 5. So now that I know that this is 5, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label the triangle. Label the triangle. What do you call this side? Your choices are hypotenuse, opposite, or adjacent. Hypotenuse. What would you call this one over here? Opposite or the adjacent? Correct. And this one? Adjacent. I think Giselle knew that the starting point is the given angle. That one is a theta. So you go across, that's the opposite, hypotenuse, and then the one is adjacent. Alright, let's find our 6 trig functions. And Sarah R., what is our silly phrase that can help us with the 3 basic trig functions? SOHCAHTOA. Go ahead and pick 2 of those, Sarah. Sine of theta is which 2 sides? Yeah, sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse, so here is my starting point. That is the angle. So the opposite over the hypotenuse. In this case, we have numbers, right? So we could do 5 over 13. Sarah, go ahead and do cosine. Correct. Numbers? 12 over 13 is correct. Good job. Sebastian? How about tangent? So we just did sine, we just did cosine. Tangents, which two sides? Everyone talk to your partner, 5 seconds. Yes, Sebastian. Opposite over the adjacent. And tell me with the numbers now. Good. Everyone say reciprocal. Reciprocal, that vocabulary word is pretty important because we're going to learn about reciprocal identities soon. But, Sebastian, what would be the reciprocal of this? Yeah, so that would be adjacent over the opposite, which is 12 over 5. Catherine, can you do the other two for us, please? Oh, which one are you doing? Cosecant? Let me spell that out for you guys. Hold on. Let's spell it out. Cosecant. And this one is called secant, which is abbreviated SEC and then a theta. Which one do you want to do? Cosecant or secant? Okay? Yes? Good. And the other one, secant? There you go. So this problem, we reviewed how to find a missing side of a right triangle given two sides. We also reviewed the basic trig functions. You can use the phrase SOHCAHTOA to help you with the basic ones. And then you can use, after you have your basic trig functions, you can use the reciprocals to find the other three trig functions.